Welcome back to our Excel data analysis series. In our previous lecture, we explored the power of pivot tables and how they help us in summarizing and analyzing data with ease. In this lesson, we are going to take our analysis to the next level by diving into pivot charts. Get ready to visualize your data like never before. Pivot charts are an incredibly valuable tool that complements pivot tables by providing a visual representation of the summarized data. They offer numerous benefits, making data analysis and presentation more intuitive and engaging. With pivot charts, we can convert complex data into visually appealing charts, such as bar charts, line charts, or pie charts, which enhance our understanding of the data and help us identify patterns and trends. Now, one of the key advantages of pivot charts is their ability to visualize data, making it easier for users to interpret and grasp the information. By representing data points as visual elements, such as bars or lines, pivot charts allow us to quickly understand the overall picture and identify significant insights. Whether we are analyzing sales figures, survey responses, or financial data, pivot charts provide a clear and concise visual summary. Now, another benefit of pivot charts is their interactivity. Yes, we can interact with the charts by selecting specific elements, such as regions or product categories, or even time periods to dynamically explore the data. This interactive feature enables us to drill down into specific details, filter out irrelevant information, and focus on the most relevant aspects of the data. It empowers us to uncover deeper insights and answer specific questions by manipulating the chart in real time. Pivot charts also offer a wide range of chart types and customization options. We can choose from various chart types, including column charts, line charts, area charts, and a lot more. So depending on the nature of our data and the insights we want to convey, we can select the chart type. We can also customize the appearance of the chart by modifying the colors, labels, legends, and other visual elements. This flexibility allows us to tailor the chart to our specific needs and preferences, ensuring that it effectively communicates the intended message. Moreover, pivot charts are linked to underlying pivot table, providing real-time updates. Any changes made to the pivot table, such as adding or removing data, or modifying calculations, or applying filters, automatically everything is reflected in the pivot chart. So the seamless synchronization ensures that our visual representation remains up to date and eliminates the need to recreate the chart when the data changes. It saves time, it reduces errors, and it ensures accuracy in our analysis. In real-world scenarios, pivot charts prove to be invaluable for data analysis and decision-making. They help sales managers analyze regional sales performance. Marketing teams track the success of their various campaigns, and financial analysts monitor key performance metrics. By visualizing data through pivot charts, these professionals can very easily identify trends, figure out the outliers, and opportunities, and thus make informed decisions based on their findings. So let me show you how easy it is to create a pivot chart in Excel. Firstly, click anywhere in the pivot table. Then navigate to the Insert tab and click on the Pivot Chart option. Excel automatically selects the range of the entire table, which is convenient. Now you have the choice to place the pivot chart in a new worksheet or an existing one. For this demonstration, let's select Existing Worksheet option and then click on OK. Great, so now we have an empty pivot chart in the existing worksheet. Just like with pivot tables, we have the pivot chart field list, which is a powerful tool for selecting the fields we want to include in our chart. Let's start populating our chart. We can do this by dragging and dropping fields from the field list into different areas of the chart. For instance, let us say we want to analyze sales data by region and product category. We can drag the region field into the axis labels, the product category field into the legend, and a numerical field like sales amount into the values area. This automatically generates a chart based on our selection. Look at that. Our chart is taking shape. It is now showing the relationship between the regions, the product categories, and their corresponding sales amounts. Isn't that amazing? How quickly and easily we can visualize our data. But let us take this a step further. We can enhance our chart by applying different chart types and thus customizing its appearance. For example, let us change the chart type to a stacked column chart and add data labels to display the sales amounts. This will make our chart more visually appealing and easier to interpret. Now we have a dynamic and informative chart that presents the sales data in a clear and engaging way. We can compare sales amounts across different regions and product categories and identify trends or patterns that may not be as evident in the raw data. Now imagine you are a regional sales manager and you want to analyze the performance of your products in each region. So, by using pivot charts, you can quickly identify which product categories are driving the highest sales and spot any disparities between regions. This information can help you make data-driven decisions to allocate resources, optimize your marketing strategies, or even identify opportunities for growth. Now, let us explore some real-world examples where pivot charts can be very, very useful. Consider a marketing team analyzing the effectiveness of different advertising campaigns across various demographics. By creating a pivot chart, they can visualize the campaign performance based on factors such as age, geographic location, or even time periods. This allows them to identify the most successful campaigns and make data-backed decisions on future marketing strategies. Another example is a finance department monitoring expenses across different departments in a company. With pivot charts, they can create visual representations of expenditure by department, cost category, or time period. This helps them identify areas where costs are high, make comparisons between departments, and analyze the spending trends. These insights can then be used to optimize budgeting, identify cost-saving opportunities, or allocate resources more effectively. As you can see, pivot charts provide a powerful visual tool that enhances our data analysis capabilities. By combining the flexibility of pivot tables with the visual impact of charts, we can gain deeper insights, spot trends, and present our findings in a compelling way to stakeholders. The possibilities with pivot charts are virtually endless. You can create bar charts, you can create line charts, pie charts, or even more. Advanced chart types like scatter plots or bubble charts, depending on the nature of your data and the insights you want to convey. The key is to experiment, explore, and find the best chart representation that effectively communicates your data story. So you have unlocked the potential of pivot charts in Excel. They are undoubtedly an invaluable asset for visualizing data, communicating insights effectively, and driving informed decision making. In our next session, we will explore dashboards, where we will bring together pivot tables, pivot charts, and other interactive elements to create comprehensive reports. I'll see you soon.